Good evening. Moving from the big picture to a little closer to home, we do see some remnants of a low pressure system. It's breaking up, and we did see a few raindrops in the area, but no measurable precipitation. Today's high temperatures, though, were affected by the rain and the cloud cover. 64 only for the high in Danville, 66 in Champaign. Meanwhile, in the southern regions, 74 in Effingham, 74 in Robinson. Again, no measurable precipitation. Moving right along, we have area conditions currently. We do still see those clouds, 67 here in Charleston, 67 in Decatur and Taylorville as well. Effingham still got 70, 66 in Terre Haute. Overnight tonight, we're going to see those clouds move out, move back in a little bit to partly cloudy conditions, a low of 54, not quite as cool as the upper 40s we had this past night. Winds from the west at 5 miles per hour. Now looking at Futurecast, you see those clouds moving out, and they're over here to the east. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, nothing but sunshine, and that's the way it's going to be most of the day tomorrow. 6 a.m. before sunrise, but the dawn will have broken. We'll have 56 degrees. Temperature moves up to 67 by mid-morning. We're in the mid-70s by 2 p.m. A high 77. That'll be sneaking right in there between 2 and 6, then back to 74 as we begin a warmer trend. And why is that happening? Again, it has something to do with the jet stream, or at least what the jet stream shows us. High up above in the sky, what is taking place is we have a movement, a ridge being created. See, it's coming to Illinois. Look what it does. Basically, the warm ridge takes over the state of Illinois completely on Thursday, and it's a movement that continues through the weekend, and it could be a big summer weekend yet on the way. Now, our weekday outlook, oops, I'm going the wrong way. 77 for the high on Tuesday, tomorrow. Winds from the northwest. Then the winds change with that ridge starting, and we're going to have winds from the south, 81 for the high on Wednesday, and incrementally moving up on Thursday for a high of 83 degrees. And basically giving you what's happening. Lots of sunshine in the next 7 days. We're trending warm and dry. You didn't see any precipitation. You probably won't for a while. Summer's last hurrah. Let's look at the big picture here. Your 7-day forecast. Looking ahead to Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 87, 88, and 90. I know that's a long way off, but we do see that the general forecast system and the European models are in agreement. It's going to be a warm weekend coming up, but things could change, so we're not going to bet the farm on that, so to speak. Speaking of farming, this is good weather for our farmers. Some folks are beginning to harvest already. 77 for your high tomorrow. Overnight lows warming up across the board. Daily highs warming up across the board. That's your Skywatch forecast.